So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So going to start the class. Okay. Today we'll do practice for this option like blur tool. We already smug tool. We already have done practice. Okay. And so we are going to practice for today blur option. And I think last time also we practiced for blur. Okay. So blur tool we are going to practice, and this tool dog tool and burn tool. Okay. So where we can use this blur tool and where we can use this tool dog and burn, I will tell you today. So we need some pictures. Okay, so I already downloaded some pictures from the Google. uh, so let's see, suppose there's a one picture, this one. Okay, at the first what I did, right click on the image, then click on the duplicate option, and then okay, make the image duplicate, open the lock if you want. If not, then it's up to you, because we are not going to work on layer. Okay, look at this face. I want to clear this portion. Okay, so how we can use this option blur tool. Okay, which option? Blur. Just wait a minute, let me again open the image. थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम शो कर रहा है, इसका डायमीटर शो नहीं कर रहा है इसमें, पता नहीं क्यों, क्या हुआ. You have to use blur tool. Okay, so see this will be blur. तो ये जितना भी ये स्वेटिंग वगैरह सब क्लियर हो जाएगा इज स्लोली स्लोली. Oh shit. Like this, so you can remove this sweating with this option. Okay, with the help of blur tool. We can use another image also. And then one more option we have to practice today, that is this dog tool and burn tool. So let me show some example. There's a one image, this, make duplicate. Okay, so this image is very dark, right? So we have to make it clear, this image ना, थोड़ा इसका whiteness करना है. So we have to use this option dog tool. Use this dog tool और इसको माउस को इसके फेस पे स्लोली स्लोली इसको मूव करना है. Then to how to remove this sweating, you know this tool ना, blur tool use करो और इसके ऊपर हल्का हल्का चलाना, तो sweating भी clear हो जाएगा इसके ऊपर से। कोई भी पिक्चर होगा आप इसे you can remove the sweating from this tool with the help of blur tool, and the image is very dark and you have to make it bright, so you can use this option dog tool। यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करने के बाद वो ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा डायमीटर का, इट शुड शो ना, मे बी देयर सम प्रॉब्लम इन दिस, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया है इसके अंदर। इसका ब्रश का साइज नहीं शो कर रहा है, अदरवाइज हमें ब्रश का साइज शो करता है, सो अकॉर्डिंग दैट यू कैन इजीली चेंज इट ना। और वन मोर थिंग, जब आप यहाँ पे कुछ ये, इसको एक काम करते हैं वापस पहले से करते हैं, सो हाउ टू मेक इट लाइक बिफोर, use this history brush and use the history brush, तो ये पहले से होगा। Now see the difference, okay, it is same image, after effect it's like this। And if you want to apply only this effect on the face, so you can use this option magnetic lasso and select only the face, so if you apply any effect, so it will apply only on this face ना, इसके बाहर कुछ भी apply नहीं होगा। Like I'm going to apply this dog tool, is it look good? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to again open this same image and now see the difference। गोरा हो गया ना ये? हाँ, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ये गोरा हो गया ना, इसको फेयर लवली क्रीम लगा दिया, हाँ, now it's look handsome। So if you want to apply this effect on an image, any of the image na, which is dark, so you want to change the color, so you have to use this option dog tool, it will make the image bright, okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And to remove the sweating, you have to use this blur tool, you have to apply the blur tool, you can apply blur from here, either you can click on this filter option and there's option blur, which option, blur, okay, there's a lots of blur option, blur, more blur, Gaussian blur, you can apply like press the blur option, okay, then you can press Ctrl F from the keyboard, कंट्रोल एफ, कंट्रोल एफ, तो भी हो जाएगा। मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, और ये कुछ ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग है इसके वजह, इसलिए अदरवाइज इट्स ओके। ओके, एंड सपोज इफ देयर एनी इमेज, कोई और इमेज ले लेते हैं, चलो कोई भी डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं। मिनिमाइज किया, and if you want to make the image dark, then if you want to make the image dark, face को dark करना है, then there's another option, burn tool. Okay, there's option burn tool. Use this option and apply with the help of this brush. Okay, you can apply this option to, if you want to make the image dark. कलर क्लीन करना है तो, अगर फेस क्लीन करना होगा देन डॉग टूल, और अगर उसको डार्क करना होगा तो बर्न टूल. ओके, or like you can make like this symbols also if you want to show that is a victim of like domestic violence or something, कि किसने इसको मारा है, you want to apply ना, so this kind also you can apply this effect here. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, let me show some more option. Like suppose there's an image. Okay, एक और ऑप्शन और बताता हूँ इसको क्लीन करने का. Going to image, okay, adjustment, and there's option curve. Image adjustment and there's option curves. Okay, again show you image adjustment and there's option curves. इसको select करो and then इसको click करके इसको up करना. जितना up करोगे उतना ये इसका face clean हो जाएगा, मतलब लाइट हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. और ज्यादा करोगे तो ज्यादा डार्क हो जाएगा. कोई भी इमेज लाइक यूज कर सकते हो, लाइक दिस द इमेज. ओके, इसको ट्राई कर लेते हैं. इमेज एडजस्टमेंट एंड देन कर्व, यूज द कर्व ऑप्शन और इसको ट्राई करना without doing anything, it will clear. ठीक है. हेलो, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so then okay, then today you have to do practice only for these options. One is the blur tool, dog tool, and burn tool. Then
Yes, sir.
okay, fine, huh?
Blood tool, dot tool.
Yeah, only these three tools: dog tool, burn tool, and there's option this blur tool. Okay, practice only these three tools today, nothing else. Okay, any question, any doubt, any confusion? Hello,
Sir. Okay.
you have any question, any query about today's class or previous classes? Do you have any question, any doubt about previous classes or today's class?
Sir.
Hello? I'm asking, do you have any question?
Hello, sir.
Hello? Do you have any
No, sir.
question? Okay, then fine, huh? Good. All of you know the website of Bosco Bhogol Center, right?
Yes.
boscobhogol.rajivbasak.co. Okay. So when you open it, so on there's an option class video. There's an option named class video. If you click here, when you click here, so see there's a date mentioned like 28 January, 29 January, 1st Feb, 2nd Feb, 3rd Feb, 4th Feb, 5th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th Feb. Okay. So according to date wise, there's all the videos are available. Suppose you're from Photoshop class, okay, and you want to see the what we study in the 12th Feb. Okay. So you just need to click here on this Photoshop class on the 12th Feb. So automatically it will go to the YouTube channel and video will play. Or you can see. Okay. Like you want to see the video of the 5th Feb. So just click here. This video will be play. Everything is available here. All the things are available here according to date wise, which is this gray color. It means there's no recording that day. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you miss the class, so you can go to the our Bosco Vogel Center website and then click on this class video option, and then you will get all the videos here according to date wise. So it's very easy for every to all of you, right? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Huh? So bye bye. See you tomorrow on the same time.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.